Hi, I'm Tess Masters, the Blender Girl, and I'm making the Tastes-Like-Ice-Cream Kale Shake, which is my most requested recipe from my first book, The Blender Girl. I also put it in the Blender Girl Smoothies app and book because it was so incredibly popular. I get about 500 emails a week from people all over the world who were once greenophobes, who proclaim this the holy grail of kale. I'm telling you, be open-minded, because if you think you can't drink a green smoothie, this smoothie will change your mind. So here's what you do. We start with 1 cup of filtered water, and then I'm gonna use a cup of curly kale. Now you could use lacinato kale, you could use baby kale if you like. I just love the curly kale because it makes it look like this beautiful green pistachio ice cream color. Then we're gonna add a cup of raw unsalted cashews. That's how we're getting the creaminess. And then I'm gonna sweeten it with 1/4 cup of pitted dates. Then we're gonna add a little bit more sweetness and a little bit more creaminess with 2 ripe bananas. You don't want them to be underripe and you don't want them to be too overripe. Otherwise it'll be too banana-y in flavor. Then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And here's the magic. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. You could also throw in a tiny little knob of ginger. Now, ginger takes the edge off the pungency of leafy greens. It also brings in this beautiful warmth to the blend, but it doesn't make it taste like ginger. So if you hate ginger, just leave it out. The smoothie is still amazing. So then we're gonna blast that on high with 1 to 2 cups of ice until it's smooth and creamy. And there you have it, the sexiest introduction to green smoothies you will ever taste. So you can find this recipe in the Blender Girl cookbook and the Blender Girl Smoothies app and book. And you can find more easy, healthy, delicious smoothies like this at theblendergirl.com.